Welcome back. Happy full moon. Here's some roses to start with, including mutant. Pink mutant that got eaten. Sad times, but oh well. Developments. There's a raspberry here. Raspberry shortcake. Yum yum. The flowers turn into berries. This thing is covered in flowers, so soon very many berries. Let's see if we can. Here's one. Yeah, that's a berry. Yeah. Being protected by this garlic. And of course the snapdragons. Not really the snapdragons, so I was kidding, but the garlic does protect from pests. So that's a great thing to have next to your berries. Or anything that you plan to eat. It's actually another raspberry. See also this right here. Yep. It's alive. So I'm happy about that. The peas keep falling over here. This one. Keep trying to give it this. Hang on to it, doesn't want it. Oh, there's a buggo up there. He is none too pleased that I just slapped him with a pea. You mad, bud? You gonna fight me, bro? You gonna fight my peas? I don't even know what that is. I think he should GTFO though. Knock him off of there. Yo, what now? Weird looking motherfucker. Haha. Okay, so I'm staying up there now. Peas. These are actually taller than me now. So that's cool. The royal purple. And just the regular green as well. There's a critter just chilling up in there. I haven't none of that. So. That's a fly. Pretty sure it was dead. Look at that pea though. There we go. And they're everywhere. Everywhere. So I also did this. Cleared out some weeds. There's roses. There's a rhododendron. Looks like it dropped a lot in the rain. Got over here peas and beans and corn. Just like that, right back in there. Peas and beans and corn. So far that's it for here. Development has started. Found out that tomato cages were great for bees. That seemed to like it just fine. What is this doing in here? What is this? Good job. Get the ball. Yeah, plenty of room in here. Stuff drying out. There's the weeds. Trees are looking good. Got some manure for next year. See if we need it. I don't think we will. I need to go get more soil. Currently accepting donations for that. I don't know how much I can get with what I've got. But I will do everything I can. Again, we're full of peas here. This might even fund next year's pea growing. Yeah, so, as mentioned, this is beans and peas and carrots. And it needs thinned out, but I've been waiting for the rain to stop and it's just kind of going and going. Which has been terrible for the corn's growth, because it needs hot sun, right? I'm trying to get my brother to just like take a scoop of this corn. This is grass. This is bullshit. Right? That's crabgrass. It's a big old root under there. Let's figure out how to kill it somehow. These are corn though. All of those. And all of these. That's great. Yeah. Got peas. We have corn and carrots going. Carrots there. More beans. You can see little lettuce get bigger. Again, it's been too rainy to get out here and weed without mucking everything up. I'd rather not roll around in the mud. I will if I have to. Not in the garden though, you know. There, no. That's Doggo's job. There's lettuce. Black-seeded Simpson into a salad mix. It's been delightful. This is another radish. Really fun to pull up. It even grows. Yeah. Coffee. Here are more garlics, which are defending these strawberries. And these blueberries, which are doing quite well. They're starting to redden. Ooh la la. Yeah, this was all flowers. Now it's all berries. One's turned blue and died. The one blueberry so far. It's not very good looking. Yeah, it'll turn now. That's good. Got the redwood hanging out. Enjoying the temperate rainforest feel. Yep. Need weeding too. The trees bombing my garden. Someone's digging up and eating my potatoes as I plant them. So I need to put more in. One survived though. That's my potato. In this shit soil. Very acidic. I did mix stuff in. You can see that there's more soil mixed in there. It's just got the clay on top. The crappy soil on top. Ah! Another tree bomb here, man. Damn thing. But there are the fire bushes. There's a pretty rose. There's the bomber in question. Back here, we have developments of the Marion berries, which are actually growing into full berries. That one's got whiskers. It's kind of weird looking. Interesting. And there's, ooh, they're so pretty. Those are berries, of course, and that's what they turn into. And start darkening. This is thornless blackberry and Marionberry. Marionberry is thorns. This one is actually a smooth blackberry. I'm so excited about this. These blackberries are great, but the thorns are terrible, right? Look at that. It's gonna be blackberries. This thing's already trying to get out of its container here. I'm not sure what to do with it yet. I guess I'll just leave it with a wall and see what it does. Looks like we got more berries back there anyway. Yeah. If Linda sees this, thank you for the cold frame. I really do appreciate it. It's been wonderful. It's helped a lot. Thank you so much. More garlic defending, because this is food crop. There's more peas here. It's a fine one. Is this one good? Oh yeah, look at that. You can tell because it's pulling the meat apart instead of the meat being flat. Oh, those are all good. Yeah, I gotta get out here. These aren't good yet though, see? The meat is flat. This one though, just take it and pop. Ooh, yes. Yeah, technique. The side, break it and pull down the front towards the top. Drop it. And at the other end, sorry about the focus, break it there, pull down the back. Didn't work very well on the back, but here's your string. Yum. Brainwashed. They're so sweet. The purple ones are even sweeter too. This is all marigolds and flowers. Oh, sorry for the view change. And some tree seedlings. Everything's coming along good. This is what marigolds look like, of course. And this is wildflowers. I don't even know what else in here. I weeded it out really, really well. And it said to just not weed it and let everything go. I see some weeds in there that I recognize, but a lot of it's new stuff. If these are new, that's cool. I know I did have one blue flower out of the last mix of wildflowers, so that was cool. Get that pea going up there. Gladiolas have not yet flowered. Tulips are long gone, of course. Marigolds. Marigold. Marigold. I'm getting rained on. Just a tiny bit. Oh, we have snakes. There's a snake that lives in there, so I'm not moving those bags. It's been quite nice. Hopefully helps keep things away. Oh. Marigold. More gladiolus. And geranium. Geranium, of course. Hail Morgan. The crows are out today. Haven't seen my raven buddy yet. This is the grape, which is the focus, because this is meant to be a mini vineyard, right? Because we want to make some wine. So that's the goal. Not trying to be fancy. I just want to have grapes. So there it is. Really is nothing extravagant. I mean, I got this for free. All I had to buy was the dirt and put the time and effort in, right? And I've already taken cutting off that. Looks good so far. So there it is. There's the start. Thank you for touring the garden with me. Much appreciated. I hope you have a wonderful full moon on the way down to the new moon. Best of luck with arranging everything, getting everything sorted, and getting planned for the next month. Finish those projects, people. I believe in you. You believe in yourself. You can do it. Take care. Safe journeys. See you on the new moon.